Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the strip layout of the press tool. In this video tutorial, today we are going to see what is strip layout, how to calculate the economy factor, layout of the blanking tools, strip layout for cutoff and parting line, how we can make it the layout, what is notching, trimming, blanks having the regular contour, what is single row 2 pass method, what is double row layout, what is gang dies and angular layout. So friends, today we are going to see all this topic. Also going to see the importance of proper strip layout, explaining the different types of layout which we are preferred in industries. Also we can calculate the percentage utilization of the strip and to decide the most economical layout for the press tool design. During understanding of different types of layout, also we will see the advantages and disadvantages of the various layouts. Assignment point of view, giving 2 assignment to you for practice to calculate the economy factor. So first of all, we'll start with the strip layout. The blank is a piece of flat material cut to any desired shape. Some blanks may have round, square or rectangular shapes. Some may be irregular of the shapes. You can see in the image the pitch and the width of the sheet. You can see in the image. Now we are going to see what is economy factor. During cutting operation, stock material conservation is a decisive factor in press working. All possible means should be tried to attain this without sacrificing the accuracy requirement of the piece part. Economy of any strip layout in percentage is found out by using this formula. Economy factor, that is capital E in percentage, is equal to area of blank multiplied by number of rows multiplied by 100 divided by the width of the strip, that is W, and pitch. This is the formula used to calculate the economy factor of the strip layout. The minimum economy of 60% should be considered. The position of the blank in the strip decides the economy factor. Which are the terms we should have to use during the economy factor? First is the scrap bridge. This is the portion of the material remaining after blank operation between one edge of the strip and the cut portion. You can see in the image. The portion of the material remaining between the two adjacent opening after blanking is called as the scrap bridge. You can see in the image. Front scrap. This is the scrap bridge on the edge of the strip which is towards the operator. Back scrap. This is the scrap bridge on that edge of the strip which is away from the operator. Scrap bridge width is 1.2 of the sheet thickness. 1.2 multiplied by the sheet thickness. For an example, calculate the economy factor to punch the mild steel washer in a single row feeding. Outside diameter is the 30 mm and inside diameter 18 mm. And consider the part thickness will be 2 mm. So the formula will be E is equal to area of blank multiplied by 100 multiplied by number of rows divided by pitch into strip width. You can see on the screen. For resolving this example, scrap bridge width is equal to 1.2s, that means 1.2, and the sheet thickness is 2 mm, so 1.2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2.4 mm. 2.4 mm will be our scrap bridge width. Now we are going to calculate the pitch. Nothing but the distance between the two circles plus the scrap bridge. Scrap bridge is 1.2s, that means it is 2.4 plus the distance, that is 30 plus 2.4, that is 32.4 mm is the pitch. You can see in the image. Strip width is equal to 30 plus 4.8, that means from the front side and the rear side 2.4 each side. The strip width will be 34.8 mm. Number of rows is given 1. So area of blank is equal to pi d square upon 4, pi by 4, and dia is the 30, so 30 square. Area of blank is equal to 706.65 mm square, and you can use the formula, that is E is equal to area of blank. We are getting area of blank is 706.65 multiplied by 100 multiplied by number of rows, that is 1, and divided by the pitch. Pitch we have already calculated, that is 32.4 multiplied by the strip width, and strip width is 34.8. E is equal to 62.69 percentage. Now we are going to see the strip layout for blanking tools. Choice of strip layout method. How to choose the strip layout method, that is we are going to see here. In the strip layout, blanks can be positioned in different ways in the strip. Choice of the method depends on the factors like shape of the blank, second is the production requirement, third is the grain direction, fourth is the burr side, and fifth is the stock material. Now we are going to see the single row one pass method or single row one pass layout. You can see in the image, this is the most popular way of laying out the strip. The blank are arranged in a single row. The strip is passed through the tool only once to punch out the blank from it. There are two possible ways of laying out this strip. First is the narrow run and second is the wide run. In wide run is more desirable due to the reason you can see in the image. Shorter advance distance of the strip promotes easy feeding. Second, more blank could be produced from a given length of the strip compared to narrow run. Therefore, a fewer number of strips are to be handled to produce a given number of blanks. See the image. Now we are going to see the cutoff operations. Cutoff operation. When blanks having required at least two straight parallel edges, that time cutoff operation will do. In such cases, the strip width should be equal to the distance between the parallel sides. The blank are produced by a cutoff or parting operation. If the blank has got two sets of parallel sides, a cutoff operation is sufficient to produce the blanks. Now we are going to see the cutoff operation or parting. Now we are going to see the parting operation. Strip layout for cutoff and parting. Cutoff punch cuts only one edge. No scrap is produced. A parting punch cuts with two opposite edges, therefore producing a scrap. You can see in the image. That is the parting tool. Next we are going to see the notching. Notching is a cutting operation for cutting off a small portion from the edge of the strip. See the image on the screen. That is the cutoff operation and notching. Now we are going to see the trimming operation. In trimming is an operation of the cutting off material to alter the shape of the strip or the blank. Look at the image. That is the trimming tool. In notching, only a small area of the blank is cut off. In trimming, a larger area of the material is removed. Contour. If the blank has two parallel sides, it can be produced by cut-off operation. The main advantage of cut-off operation is minimum material wastage. Second is the less tool cost. Third, no scrap strip to handle. Fourth is strip speed up production. Now we are going to see the single row two pass method. This strip layout demands the strip to be fed twice through the tool. This is to achieve greater economy in stock material utilization. Look at the image on the screen. A two-pass tool requires two stops. The stop used for the first pass should be removed or made to retract or spring-loaded stoppers from the working surface so as not to interface with the second pass. The front and back scrap as well as the scrap bridge should be wider than those for the single pass, about 50 to 100%. Two pass layouts are justified only when the wastage is considerable and stock material is costly. Now we are going to see the double row layout, that is double row two pass. Higher economy can be attained by positioning the blank in double rows. See the image on the screen. Now we are going to see the gang dies. A gang die consists of two or more similar set of tool members so as to produce two or more number of components during a single stroke of the press ram. A gang die eliminates the cumbersome process of the double pass. Now we are going to see the angular layout. Some piece part requires to be laid out in an angular position to make the layout more economical. You can see the image. Now look at the images on the screen for the assignment purpose. Draw the strip layout for the given component and calculate the economy factor. Next point is the single row single pass, single row double pass, and draw the strip layout components. You can see these are the two examples. You should have to find out the solution, that is the economy factor and various types of passes like single row single pass, single row double pass, double row double pass.